In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can model this block from scratch using SolidWorks. So if you are new here and you're interested in computer-aided designing in anything SolidWorks or Siemens NX, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video if it helps you out. Now let's get right into the video. So inside the SolidWorks window, locate this new and create a new part and click OK. Now this will take us to the sketch canvas. So these are the dimensions we are going to use to model the block. So there's a third angle projection of the various views of the block. This is the front view, looking at the object from here. This is the side view here. And this is the top view or the plan. So we are going to be using these dimensions and views as guides to model the block. This is how we are going to start off. We are first going to sketch a profile of this side view here. And we dimension it and extrude in this direction. So in the sketch canvas, click on extrude boss or base. And you're going to extrude using the right plane. So click on the right plane and select the line tool. And then we need to sketch the profile of the side view. Now we can pan the coordinates plane by pressing the Control key. Click on the middle mouse button and drag to a suitable location. Now we draw the profile of the side view. And click on Smart Dimensions so we can dimension. So let's start with the vertical dimensions. This is 65, this is 25, and this is 24. Now this distance here is 12 millimeters. Now with the horizontal dimensions, which is this line and this line, we can look on the top view and we can find the dimensions to be 110 and 36. So click on this line and change it to 110. And we do same for this line, change it to 36. And press the escape key. Now this sketch is fully defined. So click on exit. And then you are going to extrude in the opposite direction. So click on reverse direction and you extrude by a distance of, looking at this line on the front view, it is 72 millimeters. So change this distance to 72 millimeters and click OK. Next, we are going to make this cut feature over here. So we draw a rectangle of dimension 73 by 6. So we are going to use the extruded cut. Click on it and click this face here. Now come and click on this sketch and make it normal to your face. And we draw a rectangle and dimension it 73 by 6 millimeters. Then click on exit. You can rotate the drawing. And the dimension of extrusion or the length of extrusion should be 50 millimeters. So change it to 50 and click OK. Next, we are going to make this cut also from it. So again, with the extruded cut, click on this face and make it normal to your face. Now we are going to use the slot feature. So select the straight slot feature and we make a slot on this side. And make sure the center of the first semicircle will be at the midpoint of this horizontal line. So click on it and make a straight slot. And the dimensions on either sides of the slot is 24 millimeters. So with the smart dimension, change the dimension to 24 millimeters. Now when you do this, automatically this dimension is 24 millimeters. So there is no need to dimension it manually. And then the distance from this tip of the first semicircle to the end point here is 62 millimeters. So locate this tip, click on this line and make it 62 millimeters. Now click on exit sketch and rotate your drawing by clicking the middle mouse button and dragging the mouse. Now in the direction 1, change it to up to next, so we don't need to manually set the distance of extrusion, and click OK. Next, we are going to make these circular cuts also. So again, with the extruded cut, rotate your drawing and click on this face. I will make it normal to the face. And you're going to select the circle tool and draw a circle of radius 30 millimeters. So dimension it. Since the radius is 30, the diameter is 60 millimeters. And then the distance from the center of this circle to the bottom here is 48 millimeters, as we can see here. So click on this center and this line and change it to 48 millimeters and press escape. Now the circle is centrally placed inside, so click on the center of the circle, press the control key and come and locate the center of this line here. Click on it, release the control key and give it a vertical constraint so they can be vertically aligned. Now click on exit sketch and then set the direction of extrusion to up to surface and click on this surface. Click OK. And the last thing we are going to do is to add a circular hole of diameter 24 with its center coinciding with the center of the outer circle we drew. So select the extruded cut tool again. Click on this surface this time. Make it normal to your face. And then we draw a circle of diameter 24 with the center being same as the center of the outer circle. So dimension the circle as 20 diameter and click on exit. Now rotate the drawing and set the direction of extrusion to up to next and click OK. So yeah, that's how to model this block using SolidWorks. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.